Thanks for tuning in once again. In this episode, I will be handcrafting a remote control car. This is my first. I'll be basing it on the 1915 Model T Ford. As a child, I used to play with one of these decanter toys, which was a Model T Ford, and I decided to base my design on this one. It's a 2 times scale, so everything was just measured up and multiplied by 2. The primary components were made of 5mm MDF and 3mm PVC sheet. Everything was hand cut, aside from some of the bearings for the axles, which were laser cut just for precision. The wheels, however, the hub and the spokes, all were hand cut and hand assembled. In here you'll see the compartments for the battery charger and the 2 passengers, which are 2 minions. I used 11.1 LiPo battery to power up the system. The main motor has been extracted from a ride-on car, so it's got quite a bit of torque. However, the wheels are a little bit slippery. I'd like to keep everything that's essential for the operation of the car in one spot. That's why I decided to pack both the charger and the power pack in the same car. And recycling a remote control from an old aeroplane, we have a control system. Here we have a suspension for the front wheels and a simplified rear drive mechanism. The car does work quite well on smooth surface and on rough surface, primarily carpet. Despite the fact the motor has got quite a bit of torque, the wheels are slippery. I do have plans to add a very thin layer of rubber just to give it a bit more grip, but however it seems to be going really well here. Then I decided to take it outside to see how it will perform on both grass and soil. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.